Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make enchilada sauce at home. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1/4 cup of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of flour, 2 cups of chicken or vegetable broth, and a few other common spices. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process much smoother and more enjoyable. This foundational step ensures your sauce will be flavorful and authentic. Now let's build the flavor base for our sauce. Start by melting 2 tablespoons of oil or butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Once melted, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. This combination creates a roux, which is crucial for thickening the sauce and adding a nutty depth. Cook this mixture for about 1 to 2 minutes, stirring constantly until it turns a light golden brown. Next, we'll transform our roux into a rich sauce. Slowly whisk in 2 cups of chicken or vegetable broth, ensuring there are no lumps. Then, stir in about 1/4 cup of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and salt to taste. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat and let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until it reaches your desired thickness. Our homemade enchilada sauce is almost ready. Give it a taste and adjust any seasonings like salt or chili powder to your preference. This sauce is perfect for your next batch of enchiladas, or you can store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. It also freezes well for longer storage. Don't forget to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.